Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've added some black paint. I'm going to do a lightning pour, and I've already poured one dirty cup and I'm about to do the second one. So in goes the midnight blue. Whoops. And I might scratch that. I'll scratch it out in a minute because I'm on a second layer and there's not much there. Some grey, not grey, silver, white, smidgen of gold, because I want the gold in a minute as well. And then I have to scratch out this blue. I should just about have enough. Just putting it in. I think that's good. Did I put silver? No, silver's next. And that too can be scratched by the look of it. Plenty of silver in there now. And some white. And I think just a dribble of black. Now that is done. This is my bottle bottom. And I'm going to put some gold in the centre, near enough, and put that there. Now you see that's got little bits, you know, like concave, but I'm only going to use one, and then when I turn it around I'll have to move this a little bit because I want the other one to be like central as well. So here we go with the first little pour, and I'm only pouring it down the one little bit. A bit of a wiggle, make some patterning. Oh, I'm not. Oh, there goes a lump. I better get that out in a minute. Okay. So I don't know what that's going to do. I've got a dribble here. There, I don't think that'll just alter the pattern a little bit, but should be alright. Come off. Come on, you sticky thing. Turn him around. And then I have to just, that's about central. And I'll try to do better with this one. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. I've still got some more blue. I think I've got it all out. Just give it a second while I wipe my hands to dribble off. I was only supposed to go down one, it's gone down a couple, but it hasn't really altered what I was looking for, so that's okay. And then I just lift this bloke off with thanks for your help. Then I'm going to just stretch it out a little bit. Oops, I can see somebody there. That might be the lump I saw before. Alright. So, Now, just trying to only bring the gold across, which is easier said than done. Probably get a bit more gold in here if I did it this way too. Yes, I think that might be easier. So, a little bit of gold down here. Right, now for the tilt. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. Noisy car drivers. No need for that rubbish. Maybe I'm getting old. Over you go. And then back here to this corner. Waiting. Right. Now I want to bring him down. And then I have to fix up some corners. So I want some white for over here. Some blue. Here and here. And up there too, I think. Okay, just wipe my hands because they're quite sticky, and then I'm going to just check on my Lightening, which hasn't actually turned out as well as I thought it might, but change it a bit. Looking good. I don't think you want to see lightning like this coming across your sky to be a bit creepy. Or it's be awing though to see the power. Alright, so the recipes for the paints and pouring medium below, show more under this video. Just bring some of the night sky through. and can I have some spikes? Oh, yes, that's looking good. Alright, I'm going to give it a little torch and wipe my hands off this because they're very sticky, and then I'll bring you down to have a look. Okay. Right, I'll bring you down to take a little look, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put up videos into YouTube. Come across to Australia Art Dreaming and join us there. There's my Lightening. When that's dry, that'll really be sparkling because it's a metallic gold. The silver's a metallic as well, so that's mixed in there between the white and the blue, so it'll look really good when it's dry. I totally hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate that, and I do like this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.